Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram and PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to enable two-factor authentication, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just open Instagram. And once you have opened Instagram, just click on this more option under your profile at the bottom left. Just click on more and then click on settings. Now in settings, just click on account center and here you must see different options. You just have to simply select account, password and security. Just select password and security and here just click on two-factor authentication. Now click on your Instagram account and here you can easily enable two-factor authentication. You can select the option of authentication app or you can also select the option of SMS or WhatsApp. So I recommend you have to select this option. So whenever you'll try to log in with your account, you might get an SMS on your messages or WhatsApp. So I recommend you have to select this option and then click on continue. And after that, your two-factor authentication will be enabled for your Instagram account. So in this way, you can easily enable two-factor authentication on Instagram and PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.